Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate language transfer for audio learning, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate language transfer for audio learning, start by downloading the language transfer app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to access the main menu. You will see a list of available language courses. Select the language you want to learn. Next, tap on the course that interests you. The course description will appear on your screen. Take a moment to review the course details. Once you've decided to proceed, look for the Start button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Start to begin your audio learning journey. You will soon hear a brief introduction from the course instructor. Follow the prompts as the lessons guide you through the material. To pause or rewind the audio, use the on-screen controls. Make sure to practice regularly for best results. Adjust the playback speed if needed for better comprehension. After completing a lesson, consider doing a quick recap. This will help reinforce what you've learned. Continue to the next lesson when you feel ready. Keep track of your progress within the app. Explore additional features for quizzes or supplementary materials as you advance. Utilize the app's offline mode for learning on the go. With these steps, you're all set to enhance your language skills through audio learning with language transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.